Okay, my name is Tathir. I'm from Akisa as a community head. So
Okay.
please introduce yourself.
I'm Abdullah.
Mhm.
I'm cybersecurity analyst, and I am a managing executive at Omnitel Technologies. I'm
Okay.
also CEO and founder of IC Waves.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I have a question like, is AI helping defenders or more like attackers right now?
Okay, if we talk about AI, in the way that internet have also benefits, and it have also drawbacks. You can use internet for bad purposes. Meanwhile, you can also use AI for good purposes and also for the bad purposes.
Yeah.
If I gave you an example, you can simply send your code to an AI, and it can give you whether it is secure or not. Or if you can ask AI to write a malicious code for you.
Okay.
So you can use AI for good perspective and for bad
Bad person.
perspective.
Even
It's up to you whether you are using for good perspective or bad perspective.
AI can help you to
Yeah.
save you from the
Yeah,
attackers.
AI can help you. Most of the companies are using AI to analyze their daily network traffic, to
Yeah.
analyze their SOC services. So they are using AI for that, because as the technology is, technology is revolving. Technology is getting new things are coming. We should have to utilize those new
Yeah.
technologies. We should have to utilize an AI, because AI sophisticated attacks can be countered from AI.
Yeah,
We
exactly.
cannot counter the AI attacks by ourselves.
Yeah.
So we should need AI to counter those.
Why do companies still get breached even after investing in this?
Okay, there is no one-time investigations, because there is not a thread for a company for just one time. The thread has been like the company is in the thread in 24/7. How long they are connected to internet, they have a thread of breaching, and they have a thread of getting attacked by any attacker.
Yeah.
So you have to kept on monitoring. You have to, because technology is revolutionizing. So you have to kept up to date, because for example, you have scanned today, and tomorrow the new breach occur, and the previous one, the previous breach you have upgraded is now again breached. So you have secured your software till now. If
Yeah.
any breach happens tomorrow, your software will not be going to secure for that breach.
Yeah.
So you have to kept on scanning on regular basis, on monthly basis, and in quarterly and yearly basis
Yeah, sure,
also.
sure,
You
sure.
should
Okay.
have a